So turning $100 into 10,000 might sound like a crazy story of luck or big chances, but it's actually more possible than you think. The key isn't luck or overnight success. It's about having plan, being creative and taking action. Start small and grow it step by step. By the end of this video, you won't just have ideas, you will have tools and motivation to make it happen. All you need is the courage to take that first step. This is your guide to make it real. Let's do it. Our number one will be let people show off their style. In 2020, a college student turned fun t-shirt designs into $10,000 in just 6 months. He started small with catchy slogans and simple graphics that appealed to groups like dog lovers and gamers. He didn't even need to keep inventory. Print on demand made it easy to sell. This works because people love personalized items. For example, a t-shirt that shows off their humor or a mug with their favorite hobby. To start, think about the designs or slogans that specific group would love. And you can use free tools to make your own designs, for example like Canva. Upload them into an online store, then use Facebook or Instagram ads to see which one people like the most. Once you find a bestseller, spend more on ads and create more design. With focus and effort, you can turn a small idea into successful business in just few months. Our number two will be turn trash into treasure. In 2015, Ryan Pineda needed a way to make money after his baseball career ended. He bought a used couch for $200, cleaned it and sold for $400. That first sale showed him how much money he could make flipping furniture. He started finding second-hand furniture at thrift stores and yard sales, picking items that just needed cleaning or small repairs. By reinvesting his profits and working harder, he turned his side hustle into thousands of dollars in just few months. Flipping furniture works because people want stylish pieces at a good price. Start by visiting thrift stores, yard sales and checking online. Look for furniture that only need small fixes. You can learn how to restore furniture with free tutorials online. Every piece you fix adds value, turning small spends into big profits. Number 3. Profit from market movements. Most new traders lose money fast cause they just jump in without learning first. But if you treat trading as a skill and just keep learning, the chances of success go way up. Spend your first month studying the basics. Use free resources to learn about charts, market trends, and how to manage risks. Pick a beginner-friendly platform with low fees to start. With your $100, try micro trading, making small trades daily or weekly. Keep a journal to track what works and what doesn't. This helps you improve your strategy over time. As you gain experience and make profits, reinvest to make slightly bigger trades. This step-by-step approach builds your skills, confidence, and account balance slowly but steadily. By focusing on small steady gains, disciplined trading can turn a small investment into a big one in 6 to 12 months. There are risks, but the rewards can be worth it if you stay committed. Markets like crypto or forex moves quickly, creating the opportunities for fast profit. Just remember, success depends on good research, smart strategy, and staying disciplined. Number 4. Cleaning cars, big profits. In suburbs, big families with big cars usually don't have time to clean them. Cleaning cars might sound small, but if you will target busy people willing to pay for a good service, then it can grow fast. With just $100 and basic cleaning supplies, you can start a mobile car cleaning service right in their driveways. Start by cleaning cars for friends and family for the first 2 weeks. Take before and after pictures to show out your skills and use them to promote your service locally. Your offer or community boards, neighborhood apps, or online groups where people look for help. People see your results, they will start telling other people about you. Few months with consistent quality work, you can build steady income. Focus on keeping your customers happy, so they will keep coming back. This side hustle works great with repeating clients and referrals, making it a solid way to make money with effort and dedication. And number 5, turn finds into fortune. Making money online doesn't have to be hard. Flipping thrift stores or garage sales finds is one of the easiest ways to turn $100 into more. You don't need fancy tools or special knowledge, just a good eye for deals and ability to sell it for more than you bought it for. Spend weekends on checking on thrift stores and yard sales. Look for hidden treasure like vintage decor, gadgets or collectibles. Use eBay's sold section to check what items are worth buying. Start with things that caught your eye and you think specific group of people will like. As you make sales, reinvest in more valuable items to attract bigger buyers. This method won't just grow your money, it will teach you how to spot trends and understand what people want. Flipping takes effort, but there is always demand for unique finds, so it's a great way to succeed with some creativity and persistence. Now let's wrap up with a quick summary what we have covered today. So here are 5 ways to turn $100 into profit. Number 1. Personalized style. Design and sell print-on-demand products like t-shirt or mugs with fun slogans or unique designs for niche audience. Number 2. Trash to treasure. Buy used furniture, fix it up with minor repairs and resell it for profit. Number 3. Market movements. Learn trading by studying trends and managing risks. Start small and grow over time. Number 4. Clean cars, big profits. Offer mobile car cleaning service and build a steady client base through quality work and referrals. And number 5, thrift store flipping. Find hidden gems at thrift stores or yard sales, resell them online and reinvest in more valuable items. And that's it. 5 simple ways to turn $100 into something much bigger. Whether you use creativity, skills or strategy, these ideas show that small starts can lead to big success. Now it's your turn to choose one. Take the first step and make it happen. Now if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to don't miss future content. So thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.